Hey there, health enthusiasts. I'm Dr. Robert, and in this video, we'll be exploring the alarming signs that your blood sugar might be high and the typical symptoms of diabetes. Whether you're concerned about your own health or simply curious, this information will definitely come in handy. So, let's get started. Segment 1: 20 alarming signs of high blood sugar. First, let's look at 20 alarming signs that your blood sugar levels may be elevated. These signs can serve as red flags and prompt you to take necessary action. Remember, everyone's experience may differ, but these are some common indicators to watch out for. Number 1. Frequent urination. The constant need to find a restroom becomes a burden on one's daily life. It's not just about inconvenience, it's a reminder of the body's struggle to maintain balance and regulate blood sugar levels. Number 2. Excessive thirst. The unquenchable longing for hydration, no matter how much water is consumed. It's like being trapped in a desert of perpetual thirst, a thirst that cannot be satisfied, leaving one feeling parched and desperate. Number 3. Fatigue and low energy levels. A heavy weight on the shoulders, draining the joy from even the simplest of tasks. Imagine waking up each day feeling exhausted, as if you've been carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders, unable to find the energy to embrace life's precious moments. Number 4. Blurred vision. The fear of losing sight, the struggle to focus on the beauty around us. It's like looking through a foggy window, desperately trying to glimpse the vibrant colors and details of the world, but always falling short. Number 5. Slow healing of cuts and wounds. A battle against time, as wounds refuse to close, leaving scars both seen and unseen. It's a constant reminder of the body's struggle to repair itself, the resilience it desperately seeks but often fails to find. Number 6. Recurrent infections. The body's weakened defense, a constant vulnerability to illnesses that disrupt daily life. It's like living on the edge, fearing the next infection that will knock you down and force you to start over again. Number 7. Tingling or numbness in the hands and feet. The loss of touch, a reminder of the nerves affected by high blood sugar. Imagine the sensation of pins and needles constantly prickling your extremities, or the absence of feeling, as if your hands and feet have disconnected from the world. Number 8. Increased hunger. The constant longing for nourishment, the emptiness that cannot be satisfied. It's not just a craving, it's a deep hunger that gnaws at your insides, a hunger that leaves you longing for fulfillment. Number 9. Unexplained weight loss. The fading of one's physical presence, a silent transformation that raises concern. It's losing weight without trying, without understanding why your body is betraying you, leaving you feeling vulnerable and out of control. Number 10. Fruity breath odor. The embarrassment of a scent that speaks volumes, a sign of a body struggling to find balance. Imagine the anxiety of knowing that your breath carries a distinct smell, a smell that reveals your battle to those around you. Number 11. Dry mouth and persistent thirst. The parched lips and desperate desire for relief, a reminder of the battle within. It's like being stranded in a desert with no oasis in sight, where even the simplest act of speaking or swallowing becomes a struggle. Number 12. Impaired concentration. The fog that clouds the mind, hindering productivity and stealing moments of clarity. It's like trying to think through a haze, where thoughts slip through your fingers, leaving you frustrated and disconnected. Number 13. Irritability and mood swings. The emotional roller coaster that affects relationships and self-worth, leaving both confused and hurt. It's like being trapped in a whirlwind of emotions, where every interaction becomes a challenge and inner turmoil takes its toll. Number 14. Erectile dysfunction, for men. The silent struggle that impacts intimacy and the sense of masculinity. It's not just a physical issue, it's an emotional battle that can leave one feeling inadequate, disconnected, and questioning their worth. Number 15. Frequent infections. The repeated assaults on the body, stealing precious moments of joy and connection. It's like living in a perpetual state of vulnerability, always on guard, unable to fully embrace life without the fear of falling ill. Number 16. Slow healing of infections. The fight against time as infections persist, taking a toll on both physical and emotional well-being. It's like being trapped in a loop of constant struggle, where each infection becomes a setback, prolonging the pain and hindering the healing process. Number 17. Increased appetite. The hunger that gnaws from within, a reminder of the unbalanced state of the body. It's not just a craving for food, it's a desperate need for nourishment, a need that can feel insatiable and overwhelming. Number 18. Dry, itchy skin. The constant discomfort, a longing for relief from the never-ending itch. It's like wearing a suit of dryness, where every movement reminds you of the irritated skin that surrounds you, leaving you restless and desperate for respite. Number 19. Numbness or tingling in hands and feet. The disconnection from physical sensations, a reminder of the nerves under attack. Imagine the frustration of losing touch with the world, of feeling like a bystander in your own body, unable to fully experience the sensations that make life vibrant. Number 20. Dark patches on the skin. The marks of struggle, visible reminders of the battle waged beneath the surface. It's not just a change in pigmentation, it's a reflection of the internal turmoil, a constant reminder that something is amiss. Now that we've covered the signs of high blood sugar, let's shift our focus to the common symptoms of diabetes. These symptoms may indicate an underlying issue with your blood sugar regulation. Remember, if you experience any of these, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis. Here are the most typical symptoms. Increased thirst and frequent urination. The unquenchable thirst that haunts every waking moment, coupled with the constant need to find a restroom. It's a reminder of the body's struggle to find balance and the frustration of feeling like a prisoner to these needs. Fatigue and exhaustion. The overwhelming weariness that seeps into every fiber of your being, stealing away precious moments of joy and vitality. It's like being trapped in a never-ending battle against an invisible force that drains your energy reserves. Unexplained weight loss. The gradual disappearance of your physical presence, leaving you feeling fragile and disconnected from your own body. It's a constant reminder that something is amiss, that your body is changing in ways you cannot control. Increased hunger and cravings. The insatiable desire for food, the longing for satisfaction that seems to elude you. It's like a constant hunger that gnaws at your soul, leaving you feeling empty and yearning for fulfillment. Blurred vision. The struggle to see clearly. As if the world around you is shrouded in a haze. It's not just a physical impairment, it's a reminder of the uncertainties that lie ahead, the fear of losing your most precious sense. Slow healing of wounds and infections. The battle against time, as your body struggles to heal even the simplest of wounds. It's a constant reminder of your vulnerability, the fragility of your physical existence. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. The disconnection from physical sensations, as if your extremities are slowly fading away. It's a reminder that your body is fighting against you, that the nerves that once brought you comfort and touch are now betraying you. Recurrent infections and slow healing. The repeated assaults on your body, the never-ending cycle of infections and wounds that refuse to heal. It's like living in a state of perpetual battle, where each setback leaves you questioning your resilience and your ability to overcome. And there you have it. Being aware of the signs of high blood sugar and the common symptoms of diabetes can empower you to take control of your health. Remember, early detection and proper management play a crucial role in preventing complications associated with diabetes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your health, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.